From a fully passive hang, you can start by pulling down with your shoulder blades, so increasing your scapular mobility and scapular strength. You can progress to doing scapular or shoulder circles with the elbows relatively straight. You're making circles with your scapulae. The next step is to spend some time working on one arm strength. So you're hanging by one shoulder at a time and naturally letting your body rotate left and right as you're hanging. As you reach back up toward the bar to have your other hand come up, try to use your scapular strength to bring yourself up rather than using any momentum. You can also swing from side to side, where you're taking one hand slightly off the bar at a time, further developing your shoulder strength in each arm. And then you can do these rotations where you have a little momentum going side to side, let go of your outside arm, and you swing and rotate and catch the bar with the outside arm. Make sure you work on going both ways. And as you're doing this, you can also do some leg raises at the same time. Leg raises while you're in a fully passive hanging state is excellent for shoulder mobility. So going back and forth between doing the simple side to side and rotation, swinging work, and leg raises is a really good way of improving shoulder strength and shoulder mobility. Take breaks as often as you need them, and you can use gloves or chalk to help prevent calluses from tearing. The next step is to do some side-to-side swinging without any sort of rotational component within your shoulders. So you're facing the same way the whole time and just going one way and then back the other way. You're trying to use as little energy as possible. And then the final step is to move into swinging on the bars as you did as a child, shoulder brachiation. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.